Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new year and a brand new chapter at Camp Nou. 2026 is finally here, and this year is set to change everything inside the stadium. From major structural progress to key areas preparing for the next phase, there's a lot to talk about today. So stay with me, because this is our very first Camp Nou construction update of 2026. Let's get started. We begin today's update in the Tribuna area, which looks relatively calm at first glance. In the upper sections, recently installed metal sheets are clearly visible, covering large parts of the structure. At the moment, there isn't much activity here, but the installed elements show clear progress compared to earlier visits. On the right, a worker is on scaffolding working on a black structural beam. Below, the tower crane is stopped, suggesting no lifting activity in this area today. Today, there are no trucks delivering new prefabricated seating units for the third ring, although this area has advanced significantly in recent weeks. Inside the structure, lifting platforms remain active, especially around the elevator shaft, where workers are installing remaining components. A key moment here is the installation of cross-shaped structural pieces using a crane. These thinner elements complete part of the support framework. While some anchors are still missing, preparation for slat installation is well advanced. This section is expected to be one of the next areas where slats will be installed. In the lateral corner, scaffolding is being dismantled, indicating completed work in this section. 2 compression ring pillars are already installed, with additional components nearby awaiting installation. Lifting platforms here are currently stopped, and glass panels have not yet been installed, despite insulation already being in place. At the parking ramp, side walls have been concreted, and workers are active finishing reinforcement and handling materials. In the north goal corner, a new diagonal support has been installed. The structure is advanced, although anchor installation is still pending, with lifting platforms working nearby. Despite early progress here, scaffolding and panels remain in place, so final work is still ongoing. Overall, the stadium feels calmer today with less visible activity. However, progress continues across several zones, and many areas are clearly preparing for upcoming phases. The diamond area remains very quiet. Although materials are still stored here, there has been little visible work for some time, and this section appears temporarily on hold. One of the more active zones recently has been beneath the slabs. Here, workers are applying material to the beams, likely for protection or finishing, while piping beneath the slabs has also seen recent work. Additional tasks are underway on the pistons, with lifting platforms positioned below the structure. The joints for the slat supports have not yet reached this corner, even though they are already installed beyond the stair sections. A noticeable change can be seen on a pillar surrounded by scaffolding. This column now appears structurally complete, and workers seem to be adjusting or removing the scaffolding, suggesting this phase is nearing completion. Before leaving the Tribuna, it's important to highlight the progress of the third-tier prefabricated seating. In one sector, the structure is very close to reaching the third cantilever, with only a few units still missing. Overall, the Tribuna area continues to advance and is catching up with other sections of the stadium. In the south goal area, lifting platforms are active around one of the main beams. Workers appear to be treating or preparing the beam surface using machinery and water. Slat support structures remain unchanged. Diagonal joints and connectors still need to be installed on several pillars, as this area waits for the next phase. In the lateral zone, workers are installing metal elements along the front of the beams, similar to other completed sections. These installations are being done before final painting. Many beams and bolts still show white anti-corrosion coating, which will need painting later. Inside the structure, yellow lifting platforms are active, and welding work is ongoing as teams focus on finishing tasks. That brings us to the end of this first Camp Nou update of 2026. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to Megabuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching, Stay tuned to Mega Builds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on Mega Builds Pro.